Hello students, welcome in Aranya chemistry classes. So today's topic is relationship between mass of the substance, number of moles of the substance and the number of the particles of the substance and also the volume of the gaseous substance. Now we want to see how these quantities are interconvertible. Once you know how these terms are converted into one into another, so we can solve the miracles, we can calculate the one quantity from the other. So let's understand the relation with the help of this diagram, flow sheet diagram. So first is mass of substance is represented by the symbol that is M. Number of particles, number of the moles, they are represented by letter small n, and the number of particles are represented by X. Similarly, the volume of gaseous substance, please, it is a volume of gaseous substance that is represented by V. Now see, the main head office of the mole concept, that is number of moles. Once you know how the different quantities are converted into number of moles, then we can convert the other quantities with the help of this number of mole. Okay, students, ये mass of substance है. मास ऑफ सब्सटेंस को मुझे नंबर ऑफ मोल में कन्वर्ट करना है, ये नंबर ऑफ मोल्स को मुझे नंबर ऑफ पार्टिकल्स में कन्वर्ट करना है. इट्स वेरी सिंपल. नाउ फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल सी, जस्ट यू राइट डाउन द नंबर ऑफ मोल्स and on the left side you just write down the mass of the substance, and on right hand side you just write down the number of particles. Now if you have to convert, now please see, be careful, if you have to convert the number of moles in the mass of substance, then multiply the number of moles by molar mass of the substance. Okay, which substance is given to you, multiply the molar mass of the substance to the number of moles, you will get mass of the substance. Now if mass of substance is given to you and you want to convert it into number of moles, then divide the mass of the substance by molar mass of that substance, you will get number of moles. Okay, similarly if you want to convert number of moles into number of particles, particles may be atom, ions, electron, proton, neutron. Okay, so number of moles has to be converted into number of particles by multiplying Avogadro's number, that is called Na, and the value of Na, you know it, that is 6.022 into 10 raised to power 23 per mole. Okay, similarly number of particles, that is X, has to be converted into number of moles. Okay, so what to do, number of particles are divided by Na, you will get number of moles. Suppose now here, that is your two quantities are interconvertible. Now I want to convert this mass of substance into number of particles. How we can convert it? Simple, mass of substance is given, so divide it by molar mass, you will reach here. Okay, after this you reach here, that means you have reached to number of moles, and then it is multiplied by Avogadro number, you will reach to the number of particles. Now this is a simple route. I am again explaining. अब mass of substance आपको दिया है और number of moles में convert करना है, तो molar mass से क्या करो, divide कर दीजिए, and then multiply by the Avogadro number, you will reach at this destination, that is number of particles. Similarly, if the number of particles are given to you and you want to convert it into mass of the substance, तो number of particles को पहले Avogadro से divide करो, आपके पास number of moles आ जाएंगे, and then number of moles को आप molar mass से multiply करो, you will reach to the mass of the substance. So please see the arrow, this arrow, that means if you convert mass of the substance into number of moles, divide by molar mass, and if you want to convert number of moles into number of particles, multiply by the Na, and vice versa here. Now similarly, if you want to convert number of moles into volume of gaseous substance, so see this route, this is the route, you just multiply by the molar volume. Molar volume is volume of 1 mole of gaseous substance, that is molar volume, and this is nothing but this is 22.4 liter of a gas at STP. If the volume has to be converted into liter, then you have to take 22.4 liter of a gas at NTP. Similarly, if you want to divide the volume of gaseous substance into number of moles, you divide it by the molar volume, and that is 22.4 liter of a gas at NTP. If this volume is given in milliliters or centimeter cube, accordingly you divide that is not by 22.4 liters, but you divide it by, that means first it converted into convert this molar volume into centimeter cube or milliliter. So it comes to be 20. This comes to be 202400 ml or centimeter cube. So accordingly you divide it. But if I am taking volume this in liters, so I am dividing here 22.4 liter to get it to convert this volume into number of moles. Is that clear? Okay. So simple. This is the simplest form to convert one quantity into another. Suppose you want to convert mass of the substance, okay, into volume of the gaseous substance. So what to do? We have to start here. Mass of the substance is given to you, divide it by molar mass, you will reach here number of moles, and then number of moles are further multiplied by 22.4 liter, you will reach to the volume of the gaseous substance. And if you want to convert this volume of gaseous substance into number of particles, again the given volume is divided by the molar volume, you will reach to the number of moles, and then multiply by Na, you will reach to the number of particles. Okay guys, this is the relationship. I hope you are able to convert these quantities that is involved in this small concept, that is mass of substance, number of moles, and number of particles, and the volume of gaseous substance. Okay, thank you students. Please don't miss to subscribe and like my video, that is Aranya Chemistry classes. Thank you very much.